at that, guys. That right there is phenomenal. Alright, welcome back, guys. What are we doing right now? We are going to just go ahead and blend hemp hearts, and we're going to blend shredded coconut. That's it. No nut milk maker, no high-tech blender type series or whatever you use to make nut milk. This is basic. This is simple. I've been doing this for over 10 years. It's simple. It's easy to clean up. The ending result is phenomenal. That's why I keep doing it, guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This right here is a nut milk bag. Okay, that's it. I have several others right there, different sizes. You can buy them on Amazon. You can buy them anywhere you want. Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, you name it. Right here. This guy is solid. All right. You buy them in different sizes. It comes with a string right here. All right. Very solid. This right here is unbleached. Okay. Be mindful when you buy these. Okay. I like to buy the unbleached kind. All right. So this right here works wonders. So what we're going to do is I have my blender right here. If you have a Vitamix, a Blendtec, whatever you have, you can even use a food processor like I did in the past. Those all work well. Blenders do what they're supposed to do, okay? So I have right here from the 1970s, all right, a blender, glass jar. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to go ahead and add shredded coconut. This right here is about a cup. So I'm going to go ahead and add that, okay? This right here, I'm going to show you up close and personal like I always do. These are hemp hearts, guys. Okay? Hemp hearts. This right here, let me see if I get a close-up, more close-up. This is the meaty portion of the hemp seeds, the inside. Like if I squeeze these, like if I'm pressing down like this, I can go ahead and squeeze those. These are palatable. These are very soft. Okay? So we're going to go ahead, because I don't want the outer shell of the hemp seeds. I just don't want it, okay? So this right here is about a cup, all right? Not only that, I have two bags right here, one from Trader Joe's, we all like that company, okay? And I have another bag here. I'm going to go ahead and read you the nutritional value on the back, okay? Both of them are 3 tablespoons, okay? I have about a cup in there. So we have in 3 tablespoons, we have some good fat, about 14 grams, okay? We have the vitamin D, we have the calcium, the iron, potassium, the thiamine, the riboflavin. We have the folate, the phosphorus, the magnesium. 100% of the manganese, guys, the blood clotting, the metabolism, the wound healing. Let me tell you, hemp hearts are phenomenal. The fiber in those is about 3. These guys are beautiful. I love them, and that's what we're going to be making the nut milk today out of. So let's go ahead. So I already added those to the blender, right? In my other videos, juicing without a juicer, I've used this. This and a bowl. That is absolutely it. Check out that video, all right? You're not going to regret it. So let's go ahead and add some water into this. We're going to leave a little bit for the expansion. I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay? And at the end, I'm going to show you what we're going to do if you want to go ahead and kick it up a notch with a little bit of flavor. Right about there. Okay? Put the top on this bad boy. That is it. There's no additives. There's no guar gums and xanthan gums. Those do have a little bit of benefit, you know, but there's nothing else in here. This is it. Now remember, if you don't have a high-speed blender, one that costs $400, $500, which I don't have, okay? Let's say it takes about 3 minutes with one of those blenders. Okay, just extend your time with this one. You don't have to, okay, but I like to go ahead and do it. This bad boy is a beast. Okay, that is it. About 2 minutes, all right? A bowl, a nut milk bag. That is absolutely it, all right? Take the top off. Take it and pour it in here, guys, all right? That's all you have to do to make anything like this, all right? You can even do the juicing without a juicer. Instead of the strainer, you can go ahead and do this. I do both of them, all right? Ready? Watch this. Beautiful. It's already straining. You're not going to get any of the pulp, any of the fiber, anything. The only thing you're going to get is pure hemp and coconut milk. That is it, all right? So what I like to do is I like to go ahead and grab it on the top and push it down a little bit, okay? Squeeze it, all right? Just like that. Kind of squeeze it, try to get as much out as you can, okay? Then what I like to do is I like to go ahead and turn it, okay? Just like that. Keep turning, keep turning. See, look at all that. Look at that. That is crazy good. That is very thick, okay? Almost like a cream based. And that's what I'm looking for because I like to put it in my coffee and I just like to drink it like this. Healthy fats, guys. Healthy fats fill you up. Example, avocado fills you up. Some good nuts fill you up, okay? Because of the healthy fats. Keep turning like that. Keep turning like that. Use those muscles you got, okay? Look at that. There's nothing else coming out of here. There's nothing else. Totally dry. That's it. You do have the pulp in there. You can go ahead and use it for something else, a different type of recipe. Okay? But let me go ahead and give you an up-close personal on how thick this really is. Okay? This is a glass bowl. Now when I swirl it around, you're going to see that it coats the sides. Okay? That right there means that it's nice and thick. Look at how thick that is, guys. Beautiful. That is so, so good. So what you can go ahead and do is this. Get yourself your favorite jar right there. If you don't already have one of these guys, this is a bowl jar funnel, okay? It makes the circumference a little bit wider so you don't make a mess. Okay, I practically use this in all of my juicing videos. Why? Because I love it. I have this one, I have a green one, you name it, okay, I pretty much have it. It fits like that, okay? This is a smaller type of bowl jar. It fits like that. This right here, I'm going to show you. This is ginger. It fits like that. This guy right here is absolutely a godsend. All right, absolutely love it. So you don't make a mess, that's all, okay? We're going to go ahead and put that right there. We're going to go ahead and take that, and we're going to pour it in there. No mess. Look at that, guys. That right there is phenomenal. We're going to go ahead and put that there. We're going to go ahead and put that in the bowl. We're going to clean it up later. We're going to take that, put that in. All right, so you have how many ingredients in there? 2. That's it. I'm going to give this a whirl. I know how it tastes. It tastes phenomenal because I always make it. Wow, that is crazy good. So let's say that you like a little bit of sweetness and you like a little bit of flavor on there. Ready for this? Organic maple syrup. That's it. Now we have some cinnamon. That's it. Give me the top. shake it up. You can even drink that throughout the day. You can add it in your coffee right here. Cleveland, Ohio. Little Italy, guys. If you've never been there, let me tell you. What kind of coffee? Kicking horse coffee, guys. Why? Because I like it. I don't get anything out of that for the plug. It's just like you like certain almond butter and certain foods at the store that you buy on a regular basis. Like some hemp hearts from Trader Joe's. You name it, guys. All right? It sits well with me. The coffee. Mix it up a little bit. Wow, definitely taste the maple syrup on that. That is phenomenal, guys. Let me go ahead and tell you. Check out my other videos. I'm going to be doing another one in about 20 minutes when I clean this stuff up. You got this, own it, and you're worth it. All right? Any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. All right? But that's it. Thanks for watching. Support the channel. All right? Talk to you later, guys.